3, 2. I can't believe this is happening. My mother is nuts. Hey everybody, it's me, Lindsay Rogers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, I just want to talk to you guys about something. My mother, she gets me a screen recording thing with these headphones, which apparently somehow it has a microphone. Me recording of my reaction to Fortnite Season X, or I should say Season 10, but they prefer to call it Season X. And I'm like, what? I'm just reacting to the what to expect in Season X or Season 10, and it's crazy. Like, it is like so dark, but I knew this is something that had to do with time traveling because the Season 10 theme is called Out of Time, and which apparently, if you guys want to see the whole entire video, I will link it. I'll put it into the outro and also link it down in the description down below. But seriously, Season 10 of Fortnite is titled Out of Time. And geez, I was just reacting to it, and then all of a sudden then the door busts open, and it's my mother. And she's like, "Are you talking to somebody?" I'm like, "No." And she goes from that to saying you complain about your brother snoring. I'm like, what? I haven't complained about that in a long time. She catches me as I was finishing up the recording session. I'm like, what is wrong with her? I don't know what is worse. Her complaining to me, or me seeing her butt naked. I haven't complained to her about my brother snoring in a long time. In fact, I felt so humiliated. And I'm just laughing about this. You know, I was just reacting to Fortnite Season 10. And with the new changes, the new update for the Battle Pass and stuff. And I'm like, she come busting in. I'm like, why? Why are you doing this? I'm just responding for the Fortnites. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Buzzing in, complaining about what I'm doing on my phone, which is me screen recording my reaction to Fortnite Season 10. And she accuses me and complains to me. Unbelievable. You guys want to see the video? Like I said before, it will be in the outro. And also down in the description down below. There is something wrong with that woman. I mean, seriously. She accuses me of talking to somebody on the phone when the fact is I wasn't. I was trying to do my reaction. And she says, "Oh, it's you in your underwear." This is my underwear? No, this is my nightgown. I mean, seriously. Thinking I'm talking to somebody live? When the fact is I don't have the camera on. I mean, seriously. What is wrong with her? I'm sorry, but I'm laughing like crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna make sure the Fortnite Season 10 video comes out along with this. I don't know why. I don't know why she would do that. And then also complains to me about me complaining about my brother snoring. I haven't done that in a while. It's probably because I haven't been in my room since February. Hey. Unbelievable. I don't know what's wrong with her. I mean, seriously. Anyway, I also want to say thank you for those who have seen my video about my condolences to the King of Random crew, and that's including Nate and Callie. It's just that it was very sad what happened, and and yesterday I had hear Philip DeFranco talking about this on his show, and it's really, really sad how this is happening. But I wanted to say thank you to all of you, and I hope you guys realize that no matter about whatever happens in life, no matter what somebody has happened to them, no matter if it's health reasons or something so dangerous, just understand that you don't know what will happen, and especially in tomorrow. So anyway, thank you for those who have watched that. And I also want to say right now, I'm going to wrap this video. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that like button down below if you understand. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure notifications are definitely turned on. And I will see you guys again soon. Till then, bye.